Okay, on this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Zoom applications in your laptop or computer. So, what is Zoom application? Zoom is an application for communication using video, and this can be used in a variety of communications devices such as mobile or desktop or computer. This application is usually used to conduct face-to-face meetings remotely with a large number of participants. This can be said as the online meeting applications that can be considered the most during a pandemic like nowadays. Now we're going on how to download and install Zoom application for your computer or laptop. Firstly, make sure that your internet is connected. Then you can use some browsers such as Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome and etc. So in these occasions I use Mozilla Firefox. After this, just type Zoom meeting, then press enter. And after this, we will choose, click Zoom, one platform to connect. After being clicked, this will appear the home of Zoom web. Then we choose resources. Choose resources. After you click this, then we choose download center. On this download center page will appear Zoom desktop client page. So on this page you will be able to download the Zoom applications. Well, there is 32-bit version. Then beside this there is download ARM. Because my laptop uses 64-bit versions, so we choose the 64-bit version. Okay, the download process is still going on. Waiting the download process is finished. So just wait that the download process is finished. Okay, just a second. The download process is finished. Well, the download is complete. Then we click show in folder. The Zoom installer applications is success to download. After this, to install these applications, we press the right click and then choose run administrator. It's still loading, right? While we're waiting, then will appear initializing Zoom installer. Okay. This process is still going on. Just waiting until this is completed. Okay, then we close it. Well, the installations process is successful. Okay, in this part we can join meeting or sign in. You can use your email or your Google account. Okay, we will use the Google account connected to my laptop. We will sign or log in with the email or Google account connected to my laptop. Okay, then we will click open link this page. Okay, the sign in process is success. On this page we can make new meeting, then join for Zoom and etc. And there's also some menu tools like team chat, meeting, contacts, apps, or whiteboards. So well, the appearance is just like this. You can see on your video. Waiting some moment. For example, we will make a scheduled meeting. Okay, for example, we type on this topic menu. For example, gonna write meeting business. That's my example. So the date will be 1 December 2022. The time we set in, okay, at 11 o'clock. So for the time, meeting can be adjusted based on each your meeting places. And then for the security password, could be changed based on your need. And after this, click save. Just like this. It's still loading. Later, on this homepage, there will appear your scheduled meeting that you've made. Okay, that's all. I think enough for the tutorial to download and install the Zoom applications for your laptop or your computer. Thank you so much. Hopefully this may be useful for you. And see you on our next tutorial video.